can't believe this. They forgot my birthday.
Yes, I'm back.
Don't gross me out.
You like Jake? He doesn't even know you exist. Jake's my boy!
Tomorrow morning, you won't remember a thing. And there ain't no such thing as aliens or men in black.
I know I'm right. I have everyone's attention, please.
Please don't neuralize me, sir.
Mr. Spade, you live in a quiet little village where the locals know just enough about you to leave you be.
There's plenty to be said for solitude. I'm allergic to other people's business.
Anybody needs me, I'll be in the pool.